because Russian forces are starting to make gains. The war started just a few hours ago at around 5:30 a.m. local time. The war started and Russians have managed to reach close to Kiev, Ukrainian capital. Several updates for you. This is the third video today covering Ukraine-Russia conflict. Will keep you updated with it. It's a global conflict, I would say, because the entire world is involved in this conflict. So we'll try to keep you updated. First, viewers, Russia has lost some of its armaments. It's two helicopters, but and some artillery pieces and tanks, but it is making gains. First major gain from Russia is that it has managed to take control of Gostomel airport. Gostomel airport is situated to the west and north of Kiev, Ukrainian capital. It's very close to Kiev, just 16 kilometers away from Kiev city is this airport, Gostomel airport. Russian forces used Mi-8 helicopters and Su-25 planes, and through a massive air raid, they have managed to take control of Gostomel airport, just 16 kilometers away from Kiev in western Ukraine. It was not very expected that Russia would make gains in western Ukraine so quickly, but they have managed to take control of this airport, which could be now a sort of base, a military base, an air base for operations to capture Kiev, Ukrainian capital. Watch two videos showing the flight of Russian Mi-8 helicopters over Gostomel when Russian airplanes and helicopters were trying to take control of this airport. The airport has now come under Russian control. Then we have updates from other places too.
Блядь, их тут реально дохуя. Вот еще летят. Это пиздец. Это просто пиздец.
Уже штук 20 пролетіло. Не видно українського герба. Точно російські. Прямо над хатами. Прямо ось над хатами літають, падли. Полетіли в сторону аеропорта. Бомблять аеропорт. Чути, що йде бій. Вже штук 30 нарахував точно.
Second major gain from Russians is that they managed to enter Kherson from Crimea. Crimea is under Russian control since 2014. From Crimea, they have managed to penetrate Kherson. We have a video clip for you showing the presence of Russian military in Kherson, and they are not faced with any resistance there. You would see in the video that Russian military is peacefully entering Kherson. Did Ukrainian forces withdraw from Kherson? Do they want to engage Russians deep into Kherson? Whatever the strategy of Ukrainian forces is, but Russian forces, they have managed to make inroads into Kherson from Crimea, and some sources say that Russians are around 100 kilometers deep into Kherson from this place, Crimea. Watch the video clip showing the entry of Russian forces into Kherson from Crimea. Now, some fronts where Russia is facing resistance. Yes, Russians are reportedly facing resistance on Belgorod Kharkiv front, though we know that there is massive deployment of Russian military, Russian armaments on this front, but so far we have not received any credible reports that Russia have made any major gains inside Kharkiv. Rather, we have received pictures, videos showing Russian tanks, Russian artillery pieces, and their military vehicles destroyed in Kharkiv. It means they tried to enter Kharkiv, but they suffered losses there. Watch this video showing the losses suffered by Russian military in Kharkiv. More losses on Russian side. They have lost 2 helicopters. Confirmation, not just claim, because we have pictures and videos showing that 2 Russian helicopters have been shot down by Ukrainian forces. First helicopter is Ka-52. I have a video clip for you showing that the helicopter has been shot down. The second helicopter was shot down close to Kiev when Russian forces were trying to take control of Gostomel airport. Then they lost this helicopter. You can see a picture on your screen. This picture shows the second helicopter which Russians lost near Kiev. You can see a parachute. I think the pilot managed to save his life. Watch this video showing Russian helicopter shot down. Reportedly it was shot down by a Stinger missile. So it's not that Ukrainian air defense system shot it down. Rather, a Stinger missile, which is a form of manpad. It was used by Ukrainian forces to shoot down this helicopter.
Чувак, буква В, чувак, возле вертика прям стою, обстрелянный нахуй вертолет, буковка В. Да мы задержали тут одного, вот поэтому мы, блядь, пришли на 4 секунды, нахуй вертолет подбили, тут есть, тупо обстрелянный у нас на поле стоит.